Hello, Mr. Ferrante. This is Jacob Williams, and this is my geometry screencast project. Um, right here, I have uh, my graph that I made, and this is my line segment with my two initial endpoints, -11, -7, and 6 and 9. And with my two endpoints calculated, I had to find the midpoint of my line segment, which I was able to find using the midpoint formula that I have displayed up here. So, calculating my midpoint, I was able to find that it is -2 and 1. And after I found this, I had to cut my line segment into fourths. So how I did that was by using my midpoint as an endpoint. And with that, I was able to, using this endpoint, I was able to find a line segment for this far right point and this far left endpoint. So my midpoint for the right side is 1.5 and 5, both positive, and for the left side, I found that it was -6.5 and -3.7. So, oh yeah, and I don't know if we needed to do this, but I found that the intersecting points for both the x and y axis are -4 and +4. Thank you, and have a nice day.